There are a few tasks in your self-publishing business that you should be outsourcing, and Fiverr is the place to get those jobs done. So in this video, we're going to share our 3 favorite Fiverr gigs that you absolutely need in order to scale your Kindle publishing business.
What's up, everybody?
Hi.
Okay, in this video, we're going to show you the 3 Fiverr gigs,
essential
Fiverr gigs that you need in order to make your book. So these, I'm just going to say what the 3 are in the first place. They are.
This is probably loud. There's an ambulance in the background.
All right. No, I don't think they can
But
hear.
we're just gonna keep rolling. We're just gonna keep going.
One is someone to design your cover. The other is someone to format your manuscript, and then the other one is someone to design the back and the spine of your paperback covers.
All right. So then the first one we're gonna look at here is our favorite cover designer. Just makes flames, fire, bomb designs or covers every time, and that is German Creative. We've made a video mentioning this person, guy or girl, we're not sure.
We don't want to make this video too long because we've already mentioned this person.
Yeah.
Here they are. Order a
German
cover.
Creative.
Look at the other video where Christian explains exactly how to make your cover made. But this is one of our favorite Fiverr gigs.
Yes. Makes nonfiction and romance covers. And actually, we said 3, but we're gonna give a bonus one. This is our
bonus.
This is our second favorite cover designer, and their name is German Creative.
No, Creative Vlog.
Creative Vlog. Oops. Yeah, Creative Vlog. And this is the person I was using for like the first 6 months of my Kindle business, and then the last 6 months has been German Creative. So this will be my backup if you don't like the other one for some reason. These are 2 just superstar cover designers. Okay, next.
To get the spine and the back cover of your paperback books made, we use RK Design.
Yes.
From the very beginning, we use them always. They've never let us down.
They've done this hundreds of times for me.
They're really reliable.
Reliable, fast, and only cost $5.
Yeah.
Good at English, and actually makes quality. Puts a design on the back. Some just put the writing on the back, like the little blurb. RK Design puts a design and makes it look good. So would highly recommend RK Design.
Every time.
RK Design every time.
Let's see. Why is it not moving?
Use the mouse.
Okay. The last one.
This is my guy.
Sergio's the fucking man.
Sergio is the man. So he will format your ebook manuscripts for paperback, because there's a whole process. It's something you can't do yourself. I'm sure you could teach yourself, but you don't want to. You'd rather outsource this. So $5. Sergio, he'll deliver it a lot of times with me, at least within 24 hours. But I think I got VIP treatment from him because we became good friends. So yeah, $5 gets your manuscript prepared for CreateSpace, and he's just a cool guy.
There's really not much more to say. Those are the 4 gigs we use.
Yeah, straight to the point. I'm sure that's how you like it.
Yeah, and in the description, we're going to leave the links to all these, so you don't need to search for them. You just got to go down the description, click on them, and that's where they are.
Yep, exactly.
All right. Anything else?
No, that's it.
All right.
Thanks for watching, and outro.